All right, this is our 1200 Sycamore View Road facility. You're gonna come up. You're gonna come to the door. Should be unlocked during normal business hours, but if not, you're gonna input the key code. When you input the key code, you then just turn the doorknob to open it and it will unlock. You're then going to come upstairs. You're gonna go through this door, right past the drinking fountain, and come down here to CPR Lifeline. We're number 205. If the door will be closed and locked, just go ahead and input that code that was sent to you. Come on in. You're going to input your name and information to the computer. You then can do your skills check with the mannequin. When you're done, please wipe the mannequins off so they're ready for the next student. Thank you very much. Have a great day.